How to download and install Google Play Store apps on Windows PC. So, if you're interested to install APK or install applications usually found on Apple or onto your Android devices, this video is for you. First thing we need to do is we need to head over into our actual Windows. So as you can see, even though I can see in here any kind of games, like for example this one, it doesn't allow me to install it, or if it does, you can click onto this install on Windows, and from in there this will download that particular application. So there are some apps that actually allows it, however there are also some apps that doesn't allow it. You can click on any applications that you want, and if it has an install option, this means it's available for your own device. So there are some apps that doesn't allow this. So if for those apps, you can click on this plus icon and then go and search in here for BlueStacks. So this BlueStacks is allows you to play games on PC and Mac as it is an Android emulator. You can just head over and then download it and then search for a particular application that you want. So for example, let's input right here a particular application. And then from in there, it should be able to show you in here some apps. You can just click on those and you can click on the display in order to download the BlueStacks and have it played. However, if you have something like it's already been downloaded, like this particular application I downloaded from Google Play, you can just click on it and install it directly. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really helps support the channel. If you got a question, just drop it in the comments.